Good day guys, welcome back. So make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting next now. Go GBP USD. So this is our trend, by the way. Overall trend on GBP USD is a downtrend. So have that in mind that very soon we will be expecting GBP USD to actually drop and break the low. So for swing traders, one thing you should be watching out for or looking out for is your sell setup. Once you get to the sell setup, then go ahead and hop in at the sell. If you do not take it. But what markets will likely do, markets will likely push up one more time. Reason is that this is a multiple rejection level here. So since market is at this level, you should be expecting it to reject and push up one more time till it taps this level. Once it taps this level here, I'll give you guys an update. Also have it in mind that market has the possibility of actually dropping because our food trend still says we are on the downtrend move. So have it in mind that there's possibility that it will drop. If you get this sell setup in any way, go ahead and take the sell.